Hey guys, welcome back to Adobe's Learn from the Pro series. My name is Kevin De La Cerna and I'm a video creator based in Cebu, Philippines. So for our second video, I'll be teaching you my favorite quick and easy shortcuts to make your editing faster in Premiere Pro. And without wasting any more time, let's go to Premiere Pro and let's start editing. So first, go to Edit, then click on Keyboard Shortcuts. Here you can find the default shortcuts in Premiere Pro, but today I'll be teaching you how to modify these shortcuts. Now in order for us to modify these shortcuts, all we have to do is to go to Search, then type on Ripple Trim, then drag and drop Ripple Trim next to the letter E shortcut. Now that we have created our first custom keyboard shortcut, let's now proceed to our second shortcut by going back to Search, type on Add Edit, and again drag and drop Add Edit on the letter W shortcut. For our last shortcut, go back to Search and type on Ripple Delete and drag and drop it on the letter D shortcut. Now that we have created our custom keyboard shortcuts, let's now proceed to our first shortcut, Ripple Trim. Instead of cutting your clips like this, which takes a lot of time, all we have to do is to find the starting point of our clip, then press Q on your keyboard to ripple trim the previous clip to your playhead. Once you're done, move the playhead to the ending point of your clip, then press E on your keyboard to trim the next clip to your playhead. And you're done. This for me would save you a lot of time when trimming your clips, and you can also do this method on multiple clips on your timeline. Now that we know how Ripple Trim works, let's now proceed to our second keyboard shortcut, Add Edit. If you want to easily split your clips, all you have to do is to press W on your keyboard, and you're done. This for me is a much faster way to split your clips, and it goes so well with our Ripple Trim shortcuts by having 3 of our fingers together in the keyboard. Just to recap, press Q on your keyboard to Ripple Trim previous, press W on your keyboard to split the clip, and lastly press E on your keyboard to Ripple Trim next. Now that we're done with our first 3 keyboard shortcuts, let's now proceed to our fourth shortcut, Ripple Delete. Now instead of manually deleting a clip and selecting all of the clips and then shifting them to the left, all we have to do is to press D on your keyboard to easily delete the clip and automatically shift the other clips to the left. Another way of using Ripple Delete on multiple clips is to find a starting point with your playhead and press I on your keyboard to set an in point. Next, find an ending point with your playhead and press O on your keyboard to set an out point. Now all we have to do is to press D on your keyboard to Ripple Delete all of the clips that is within the in point and out point. Ripple Delete has to be one of my most used commands, and having a dedicated keyboard shortcut for this is a big time saver. Now let's move on to our next shortcut, Duplicate. For us to easily duplicate clips in Premiere Pro, all we have to do is to hold Alt on your keyboard, then click and drag your clip to duplicate. And that's it. You can also do this method on multiple clips, and this might be an easy shortcut, but it saves me a lot of time in my editing workflow. Now that we know how to easily duplicate our clips, let's now proceed to our next shortcut, Maximize or Restore Frame Under Cursor. I use this shortcut all the time whenever I need to have a bigger preview of my video. All you have to do is to move your cursor on top of the video preview, then press the tilde key on your keyboard that is located below your escape key, and now you have a full screen preview on the panel. I use this shortcut all the time whenever I need a bigger preview of my video, and whenever I need to go back to my timeline, all I have to do is to press the tilde key again, and we're done. And that wraps up our second video in this series. If you made it till the end of this video, comment down below your favorite keyboard shortcut, and make sure to drop a like in this video if you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for my next episode as I will be teaching you how to make your videos look and feel high quality so your audience stays engaged. Don't forget to create more, and I'll see you in the next one. Paalam!